So Assalamualaikum guys. So today we are going to learn from chapter transmission of all the words. So we are going to read plant nutrition also. And today the things which we will cover are that we will discuss what is photosynthesis. So this is the other thing that we'll discuss is what is chlorophyll. The other thing which we will discuss is the how are the products how are the products of photosynthesis stored and how are they used. Products of photosynthesis stored and so the question is photosynthesis, right? What is photosynthesis? So the basic definition of photosynthesis is uh, in that it is a process in which plant makes carbohydrates from raw materials. Plants make carbohydrates from raw materials using energy from light. So this is the basic definition. Okay. So the other thing, uh, you got what's photosynthesis from this definition I have. So it means that process is the process in which plants carbohydrates need the food they need to do work. Okay? Yes, so that is what is chlorophyll and what does it do. So chlorophyll is a green pigment in chloroplast. Now what does it do? It actually it actually does uh, captures the light. It captures the sunlight, which is then converted to heat energy and due to that the food is made. Okay? So what does it do? It captures sunlight. Okay, so that's all. No. So the third thing that sorry, I that okay, so the third point is how are the photosynthesis stored and What are they used for? Yes, so the products of the photosynthesis are, so what's the products of photosynthesis? They are glucose and oxygen, right? They are glucose and oxygen. Okay. So the so the glucose produced during the process of photosynthesis is used in respiration to provide energy. Okay. So it is used in respiration, provide energy, to provide energy. Okay. It is quickly changed to sucrose for transport around the plant. Okay. So it is quickly changed to sucrose. Sucrose for transport around the plant. Okay. Glucose that is not needed for respiration is turned into starch and stored or changed into other molecules. So that glucose which is not needed for respiration, that is turned into starch. To starch and stored or changed into other molecules. Okay, changed into other molecules. So moreover, when we go ahead, that starch molecules are added to the growing starch granules in the chloroplast. Okay, and if the glucose concentration increases in the mesophyll cell of the leaf, it could affect the osmotic balance between the cells. Starch Starch is a relatively insoluble compound, so it does not alter the concentration of cell contents. Okay, so that's just some points which we have to note down, which we have to note down and remember for the preparation. Okay, and moreover, some plants store it as starch granules in the cells of their stems or roots, and other plants like potato or cassava have special storage organs for holding the reserve of starch. Okay? Sugar is stored in the fruits of some fruits. For example, up to grapes contain up to 25% of glucose and other sugars. Okay, so example of grape is can be also given that it contains 25% of glucose. Okay, so and the starch is readily broken to sucrose. Okay, so next step which happens in photosynthesis is that the starch is steadily broken into sucrose. Starch is mhm, broken into sucrose. This is a point to remember. Okay, and so sucrose is soluble while starch is insoluble. So this to make it soluble, is broken down. The sucrose is transported out of the cell into the phloem. Okay, so that sucrose is transported out of the cell, out of the cells of the into the phloem. And then what happens is that these are the phloem. What is the phloem? So for phloem, these are the food carrying cells of the leaf veins. Okay, so these are the food carrying cells of the leaf vein. You got it? So then what happens is these veins will pass the sucrose to all parts of the plant. Okay, so these flowing veins will all pass the sucrose to all parts of the plant that do not photosynthesize. For a photosynthesis, like they do not do photosynthesis. Okay, for example, the growing buds, the ripening fruits, and the roots and the underground storage organs. Okay, and so for that is what's done to sucrose then. Okay, like that energy or that product is given to all the other pathways do not do photosynthesis. The cells in these plants will use the sucrose in many ways. Like they use the sucrose in many ways, such as respiration and so respiration, you may say, and to store it into. So when that process, so when that process is done, the energy from that process, from the respiration done in these parts, is used in building up of proteins and things like this. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe our channel because we have just started the channel. I know that my video may have not explained the main idea well, but still I'm trying and I'm learning. So I need your help in this because I'm just a beginner. I wanted to enhance my skills as a teacher. Okay, bye. Goodbye. Goodbye.